Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Google account security settings. Sign in if prompted. Once in security, find two-step verification and tap Get Started. You'll verify your password again, so use your main account credential to continue. After that, choose Authenticator app as the method, Android or iPhone, and select whether the app is already installed. This step establishes the secure channel between Google and your device, so make sure your phone is nearby and connected to the internet. You now open Google Authenticator and tap Add Account. Choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If you scan, point your camera steadily at the code. If you enter the key, type it exactly, including dashes if shown. Once added, the app displays a 6-digit rotating code every 30 seconds. Enter that code back on Google's page to confirm linkage. If verification succeeds, Google records your device and shows backup options. Note these before proceeding. You finish by entering the current 6-digit code from the Authenticator into Google to enable two-step verification. Hit Verify and then turn on. Once active, download or write down backup codes and store them securely so you can access your account if you lose your phone. If the code is rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic. Time drift causes invalid codes. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account in the Authenticator app and repeat the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.